Hi friends, welcome to FNO Pulse. Today, 25th May 2022. Let's see about what is FNO Pulse. FNO Pulse is all about futures and options pulse. Here you can identify the market and take a right stock for your intraday trading in futures, options and intraday stocks. Here the data are taking calculating by every 1 minute 1 minute. All are live data, which will be very useful for to get a right entry. I will be explaining you the screens now. Once you log in, this is the home screen. The here we are showing six charts here. In the six charts, the three charts are mainly important: Dow futures, crude oil, and USD INR. The Dow future is our global understand the global market, and according to that, our market will be reacting for the day. When Dow Jones will be working after the closing Indian market. After Indian market closes depends on Dow Jones, our next day market will be open. Crude oil. When the crude oil is high, our market will be low. When crude oil is low, our market will go high. USD INR. The same way, whenever the USD is high, our market will be low. Whenever the USD is low, our market will be high. But this is only for other sectors, not for IT sectors. An INR value change only good for IT sector, not for all overall market. In dashboard, I will be taking into market info. When the market opens, check how many stocks in advance and decline. Next, immediately which our stock sector is good. We providing advance and decline for every sector. Nifty and Bank Nifty maximum depends on financial sector. If any changes in major banks, market bullish and bearish will happen accordingly. Here I am sure we can see that 34 stocks are in advance and 152 stocks are in decline. This is for overall. In Nifty 50, let's see 16 stocks are in advance, 34 stocks are in decline. Market was very bearish, so everything was in maximum decline was there. Here, whenever you see more than 1% change, you can go for buy with a green signal. In case if you see 1% change in trade signals, definitely you can select a sell call and start for within 5 to 10 points. You can book your profit. Next is let's see in dashboard if we're going to identify first Nifty. Here the spot price is all about the index price. The future price is the current month future price. Where there is a writer and put and call contracts are aggressive, definitely the market will break out the max pain level. Example, if the max pain is 16,400, by end of the day, at the time of it was 16,000, 16,000, it was 16,400. Just example, you keep it. After second half of the market, if the market is max pain remains 16,400, the market will take off for the day. If it is, for example, next example is if the market is 16,100, the current running is 16,400. Here there is more chance it will get reversed in this direction. PCR trend. Here there are 5 things I will be telling you. 0 to 0.5 strong bearish is it denoting PCR trend. 0.5 to 0.9 bearish. 1 to 1.2 neutral. 1.2 to 1.5 bullish. 1.5 and above strong bullish. This is the PCR trend signal is giving to us. According to that, market will be once the market reacting, the year immediately we will get the report here. OA interpretation, long built up, short built up, long unwinding, short covering. So everything will be keep on changing according to the open interest. This will be keep on changing here. Technical trend, neutral trend, bullish trend, bearish trend. The technical trend we are calculating with 12 parameter. On that we have deciding it's bullish, strong, bullish, neutral or bearish. Trend rating. Trend rating is from the technical trend. Out of 12, the 12 are strong bearish, so it's in 12, the 12 parameters are strong bearish. Technical strength. In bearish, it was 100 percentage. When if you see the uh, red graph is 100 percentage, it is sure its market was bearish. These four are for intraday players majorly used for technical analysis. So we are bringing this here. According to this, you can just identify each and every screen and go for the this one. Now let's see about the in screens strategies. Here buy signals are giving. Where buy signals are giving. For example, let's take Bajaj Finance now. Bajaj Finance, when buy level was entered, 18 points it went upside. Let's see. 5,856 was the entry price. How to understand whether they given a proper output? You just find go to this one morning once the market open. You find out all the stocks, the buy levels, and note it down. Once when you change, see a upside points is one. Definitely you go and start take the trade. You Bajaj Finance when it's on 1 point up, immediately you go for the trade and let's see 5,856, 5,856 morning 9:15 to 9:18. All these are 3 minutes candle. Every minute the candle is performing. Whichever the latest will be coming on top. 5,856. Once it started, it went high up to 18 points. If you booked in 10 to 15 points of profit itself, it will be a good profit for you in intraday. Same way you can use it for sell side also. You can check and understand this. All buy and sell alerts are giving here. Separately, you can identify those three details here. Futures. In futures, OA data analysis and bank analysis. These two I will be explaining. OA data analysis. Live market, fresh information will coming in top. This here. The live market, fresh data will be coming in top. Next, bank analysis. Here we have top weighted bank to lift bank nifty. Check the candles of banks and identify the current trend and take your decision in bank nifty. Next, options. How to select a strike price. In bank nifty, you can the yellow strips which is in current trading thing. This, for example, 30, this one 34,400. At the end of the day, 34,400, or it's trading near to that value, so it's showing a 34,000. That middle point is in yellow color. The left side are all call, right side are all put. So you can understand and take this calls according to this. Same way you can change and see it for Nifty also. O is active strike. Here we are going to see only the OA difference around here. When it touch zero and started moving up, the definitely market will give some points and I said. And when it started reversing, definitely the market is going to be bearish side. According to that, you can start your trade. The strategies, if you use it for stocks, it will be better for you. All this analysis are for future. The reports what it's coming all there for we have mentioned it as F&O plus future and options. This all are future stocks. Ox current data is coming here. According to this, you can start your trade. If you have any doubt in F&O Pulse, you can contact our support team. They will guide you in subscription or any other clarification. If you have, they will be giving a support to you. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. The plan starts from 500 per month. Thank you. Happy trading.